Hello, my name is Rasita.
Here we will the podcast about dogs. Did you know there are so many dog casing and day dogs?
Yes, I have also seen how it can happen like that.
Is there are casing or not?
Yes, on often is a person behaviors insing dorms accompanied by chemistry.
Is there also something about dog abuse?
It's clear there is on of which has a additive effect causers.
Are there any example of the positive impact of dogs?
There reduce stress and and and
Is there also negative impact?
disorders, depression, psychosis, and other mental disorders.
For watching the podcast video. See you in other video. Bye bye. Terima kasih Bu.
Jangan
Podcast in the